Okay, welcome guys. I miss wait. I miss the music. I just saw it now on the intro. That was that was not the technical issue. I'm just not run the music. It is what it is. Philip, yeah, welcome Philip. Okay, okay. Let's go to the calendar. Wednesday. We had some low impact news today. Current account, import prices, yeah, import prices, positive for dollar. That was low impact, to be honest. More impactful are news about the conflict between USA and Iran. Tomorrow, tomorrow we have unemployment claims at the New York Open, and Friday consumer sentiment half hour after NYSE Open. And that's gonna be the last week with winter time for Central European, or I'm wrong? Yeah, I believe that's the last week with winter time for the Central Europe. Let's go to the chart. Idea from yesterday is running. That was from Monday. Okay. 4 hour. 4 hour. We have a weak BOS here. Drop candle. Red one to the downside. The big green candle with break of structure here. I mark it as a 4 hour weak BOS. And the 4 hour change of character for me is here. Or you can call it here also. But it's not that strong like here. We have some bearish zone, we are inside it. I put it like that. Fips from lower high to lower low, 61 to 78. We are inside it. So some bears maybe want to take advantage of sells. I don't think so. We're going for lower low. We can, But for me, that's the reversal area. I want to see full reversal from where is that now. Full reversal mean continue upside to the all-time highs, to the all-time highs area. We break below my zone, but we touch the point of control here. I showed you that point of control when we do the analyze. We have a point of control just below the zone. To be honest, I was not ready to going that deep to the downside, but manipulation was hard here. $25% in 2 weeks. 25% in 2 weeks. Come on. That was 3 weeks. That was 3 weeks because I'm counting the days, but we have 5 days in a week, of course. So 15 days, it's 3 weeks. Point of control rejected it and print the 50 minutes BOS. That was what I told you on Sunday stream. I waiting for 50-minute BOS inside that zone or somewhere. That was also 50-minute BOS, but I was sleeping. I'm not playing it. Maybe someone play it and lose, but for me, 50-minute BOS was here. Stop below that body or below that candle, and you can play into the bearish box almost 1 to 5, or running with completely reversal. There should be TP. TP here, TP here, TP here, TP here, TP here. I was late and I played from here. Yeah, I'm right. Let me look at it. Yeah, I played somewhere here because I was late on that BOS. I was not looking at my phone and I just look at it somewhere here. I put the position, stop below that candles, and I'm TP on the box. And yesterday I sent the 5-minute BOS to the upside. I believe I can do a stream yesterday, but I was very busy. I was in the doctor with my girlfriend, and we back too late to make anything for you guys. I was exhausted. and I don't want to look at my computer anymore yesterday. Uh, yeah, I sent the 5 minute BOS somewhere here. 50 minutes after 2 p.m. Yeah, I sent it here. I'm looking for 5 minute BOS. They push lower, didn't stick here, and print a POS here on that candle. That was pretty clean. That was on that candle. A half hour after I'm sent what I'm looking for. Stop below the candles or stop below here, here. Depends on you. And yesterday that was quick 1 to 3. 1 to 5.5 around the market close here. And today that was 1 to 10 for my side. 1 to 11.5 on the top, and let's say 1 to 10 somewhere in that distribution or accumulation. We're gonna break it down next. At least I want to see completely reversal. With something like a 1 to 50. My funded account didn't let me hold it that long time because I can't believe we going here in next 2 days or in next week or maybe even it not in next 2 weeks. Maybe it took us 1 month or something. My funded account didn't let me hold it that long. To be honest, they closed my position at yesterday market close because my cycle was end, and I'm playing here just after the open. Stop below the fair value gap. Stop below the fair value gap, and I'm still in the position. I want to hold it with break even, so I'm cashing 125 yesterday. They automatically close me. For me, that rules is sick a bit. Funded next should funded account should work like a unlimited cycle, and maybe let let cash you out, let's say 2 weeks after you close the position. So let's say I trade here, I hold it for 1 day, I close it here, and then I need 2 weeks to withdraw that money. That will be fair. That will be fair. When they close my position, when my cycle is finished, they just automatically close my position, and I can't hold my swing as I want to. I don't believe they're going to change it in the future. Funded accounts are more and more restricted to make your trading harder and harder. So it is what it is. Anyway, they need to pay me, and I don't care of their rules. They can do it as hard as they can, no matter what. I'm going to make another withdraw and another and another. Okay. That was the Sunday. Go down to TP2. 50-minute. Yeah, maybe that after the TP1, we can count it as a failed BOS. If someone traded here, yeah, we can count it as a BOS and fail. But that was a pretty clean BOS. What now? Now 1 hour. Let it clean. A 1 hour break of structure here. Counter trend to the downside. Yeah, we were yesterday here. Not here. Here that was yesterday, our trade from yesterday from Discord. Doesn't matter. And now we are in that box for bearish side. There is a box for the bearish side. I'm not trading bearish setup. You can. I'm not doing it. And we are in the potential reaccumulation. So we're going to stay here for some time. Once we do a breakout, she can just push higher. Or we have some imbalances inside that up move. Oh, I need to find volume chart. It's a lot of mess. I want to let it run and delete that zone because the chart is not clean. Wait, Why my volume looks different? Oh, okay. $45 to 50, 15, and there is some zero. First zero already filled, and the second zero is here. So if we not run from where it's at now, as I said to you, they can do just the reaccumulation, let you think, hey, we do a distribution because we are in the bearish fib level. Here is that area, that bearish area. Bears just go in and be liquidated by the reaccumulation, or they bring the price lower into lower zero, reaccumulate, and push higher. And due to our analysis, we tap the reversal zone for weekly chart. We bounce out of point of control, so I see only buys to the upside. I can see a bearish setup now, especially when the 1 hour is printing that fat candle with zero imbalance. Here, here, there is the fat candle with zero imbalance probably. There is a fat candle with zero imbalance. There is once, there is once. When they print big fat candles on the bottom with the reversal area, that's a strong signal for coming reversal soon. And uptrend is very easy because going up, fill the zero, rebalance, go up, rebalance, go up, rebalance here, or rebalance here and go up. So first, I want to see it go up from where it's at now. That zero may be hold. We are in the reaccumulation and potential push up. We are also supported by EMA 20. And the second is if that range not hold, I see it lower inside that imbalance zero through imbalance here. Tap into and go for higher high. So you can have maybe If you have two risk or free stop losses for the day or something like that, you can put your first position here if you are still not in. Play something like that. Stop below that week. It's 1 to 5. Or if they hit you out, it's completely okay and you're waiting for lower zone with better risk to reward, that will be 1 to 8. So you lose 1, but you gain 8. At least you will be 1 to 7 from here to here. And if we do a completely reversal, it will be 1 to 30 or something like that. But you need live account because, like I say, funded account don't let you hold that trade for the super long time. The cycle are around 2 weeks usually, and after that time they close your position automatically. It's also okay because you can hold it until your cycle is finished. Let's say your cycle is finished here. Friday market close here or maybe here. They tap your profit, do another cycle, so you can reposition yourself at the market open somewhere lower after the pullback and milk it again for another 2 weeks. What is happened to oil and indices? Oh, indices moving like gold to the downside. I remember the manipulation on indices at 2025 tariff stuff. That was drop around 30%, no, 20. It was drop around the 20%. Everyone was panic. Everyone feel fear, but market completely reversal it to the upside and give you 45% from the bottom. Maybe on gold it's the same type of manipulation. Very aggressive quick sell-off for 25%. And we want to see all-time highs again. Oh, first look for silver. Maybe don't look at it. Oil, where's oil? Yeah, oil completely didn't respect our setup. If they finish the war, oil will go down so aggressive. Now it's supported by the EMA 20 on daily chart. It's a strong support. Oil looks like that for me. Bitcoin hit my first area for buying long time ago when Bitcoin was here. I sent something like that for our group. That was in January. Yeah, somewhere one of the first stream for the Royal Trade Club. When we were somewhere here, sent going to 75 to 65 zone and bounced to 100. Come on, my drawings was funny. I need to clean it. I remember when I talked with Timmy about the possible climax scandal and distribute it inside that box. Sales was pretty clean from the box. We were talk about it somewhere here. Break to the downside, sweep the highs, and die. That's my first area for buying it for long term, and lower is around 50 to 40. That will be lower area for buying Bitcoin for the long term. I put 50% of what I want to put into crypto here, and another 50% I will put here if we get there. If they go up, I'm also okay. What is this? You saw that? That Shiba dog dancing? Oh, my camera probably hide it. But when you open Dogecoin, that Shiba just say hello and dancing. What was that? Bottom. Maybe bottom is here. Maybe good a good place for buying Dodge. Can they go lower? Of course they can, but there is not much space to go lower. Oh, maybe 30%. Okay, it's something, but not much chance to do it. Over 100%, it's good. It's good. TP1 is over 100%. It's pretty solid. Yo, Shiba. Shiba gonna tap zero. Bonk. That meme coins are coin flip. Don't look at it anymore. Ethereum. That's the zone for buying Ethereum. 1000, 1800 to 1000. I don't believe we're going below the 1000. Gold gonna be pretty chill today. Maybe it's gonna look like that till Tokyo or till post something by the Trump. Maybe some news about the war soon. It will be the catalyst for go up after taking that zero or to bring it down to fill this zero and go up. Maybe Tokyo. Tokyo do pretty good moves. Every every Tokyo session are a pretty good move. I'm usually sleep during Tokyo. That's a very rare when I'm not sleeping during Tokyo. I'm usually sleep at night, so Tokyo is not for me. For me, it's London and New York. We tap it, we feel that zero, so it's possible to go up from where it's at now. If you don't want to look at the entry model, you can do it as I show you 20 minutes earlier. Put your position somewhere here where it's at now. stop below the zone or below that weeks and leave it, or wait for some entry model. Maybe 1 minute BOS. It's now here. But anyway, I recommend to stop. That will be the aggressive stop below this low and the safe stop loss here. Let's mark it. There is a potential TP for short term. It can be a some type of swing. So if you want to learn a swing, set the target here. It's good as a mini swing, quick swing, because not everyone can hold the position for 2 weeks or longer. For impatient people or for new people, it's gonna be very hard. Dollar like a oil supported by EMA 20 on daily. That's interesting. Also watch for the tomorrow data unemployment claims. If they print positive for dollar can still climbing up. It is possible. Same as here. Liquidity. $61 to $78. Liquidity from here, tap and go lower. That was the accumulation. And same here. Going down, going down, going to 61 to 78, liquidate all that reaccumulation and that week, and one more brutal sell-off like here and like here. Long-term dollar vision. Okay, let me know if there is some question, and we are about to finish. That's gonna be it from me, from myself. Once again, gold. I'm looking for reversal to and trading today all-time highs. First setup here. If it not holds from where it's at now, we have lower zone. During the stream, I show you the position. You can just enter it without any entry model, without anything. Just put your stop below the area and your TP here. That is what I show you during the stream. If we go lower, you can wait for entry model or put your pending, because Tokyo can hit it and go up. So you can put your pending above the top of the zone and stop below the bottom of the zone and TP here. Simply is that. We'll see what they print for us tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a session at the same time as today. And yesterday's session will be rescheduled for the Friday, maybe. Yeah, maybe I will do a session on Friday because yesterday I was not able to do it. Okay, I see there is no question here. So that's gonna be it from myself. Also remember about that yesterday idea. Still running. Okay, guys, I believe everything is clean for you from today's session. If you have some question, put it on the Discord because I'm finishing the stream. I see no question on the stream. So thank you guys for being here with me today. I'm sorry for the yesterday. Like I say, I was not able to do it. We will do it probably at Friday. So be careful, you have a plan, and you can take advantage from it as you want to. Uh, yeah, that's gonna be it. I have not much to say today. So thank you guys and see you again tomorrow. Bye.